Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x times x minus 1 whole square and divide by x square minus x plus 1 whole square. This is equals to 2 over 9, and here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully, x minus 1 whole square is always positive for any value of x, and here x belongs to real number, and in denominator x square minus x plus 1 whole square, this denominator is also positive for any value of x, but this denominator is cannot be equals to 0. So here we will apply substitution method. X minus 1 whole square, look carefully, if we expand this, then this is x square plus 1 minus 2 times x. Then x times x minus 1 whole square is x square minus 2 times x plus 1 and divide by x square minus x plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 2 over 9. Now substitute x square minus 2x plus 1, this is equals to a, and x square minus x plus 1, this is equals to b. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we subtract equation second from first, then here minus plus minus, x square minus x square is cancel out, and here minus 2 times x plus x, that is minus x, and this plus 1 and here minus 1 is cancel out, and here minus, this is equals to a minus b. If we multiplied both side minus 1, then in left hand side, well, minus 1 is multiplied by minus x, then we get x, and this is equals to b minus a. Now this x is replaced by b minus a, then here b minus a is multiplied by x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 minus 2 times x, and we know that x square minus 2 times x plus 1 is a. So this expression is replaced by a and divide by here x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 is replaced by b, then b square, and this is equals to 2 over 9. Now this a is multiplied by b, then we get a times b minus a square and divide by b square, this is equals to 2 over 9. Here we will apply cross multiplication, then 9 is multiplied by a times b minus a square, and 2 is multiplied by b square. Then 9 is multiplied by a times b, then 9ab minus 9 is multiplied by minus a square, then 9a square, this is equals to 2 times b square. If we take all the expression in same side, then 9a square minus 9 times ab plus 2 times b square, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split, 9a square and this minus 9 times ab is same as 6 times ab minus 3 times ab plus 2b square, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully these first two terms. If we take common 3 times a, 9 times a square is divided by 3 times a, then we get 3 times a, minus 6 times ab is divided by 3 times a, then we get minus 2 times b. And look carefully, here if we take common negative b, then 3 times a minus 2 times b, and this is equals to 0. Here 3 times a minus 2 times b, 3 times a minus 2 times b is common. 3 times a minus 2 times b is common. Then 3 times a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then 3 times a minus 2b, this is equals to 0, and 3 times a minus b, this is equals to 0. Then here value of 3 times a is 2 times b, and value of a 3 times a is equals to b. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Case first is 3 times a, this is equals to 2b. 3 times a, this is equals to 2b. 3 and this a is replaced by x square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1, this is equals to 2 times, and b is replaced by x square minus x plus 1. X square, here x square minus x plus 1. 3 is multiplied by x square, then 3x square. 3 is multiplied by minus 2x, then minus 6x. 3 is multiplied by plus 1, then we get plus 3. This is equals to 3 is multiplied by x square, 2x square. 2 is multiplied by minus x, then we get minus 2 times x, and 2 is multiplied by plus 1, then we get 2. Here 2. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then 3x square minus 6 times x plus 3 minus 2 times x square plus 2 times x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. 3x square minus 2x square is x square, minus 6x plus 2x is minus 4x, plus 3 minus 2, here plus 1, this is equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is 1, value of b is minus 4, and value of c is 1. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, and divide by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus b is replaced by minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4, and value of a is 1 and value of c is 1, divided by 2 times a, and here value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by minus 4, then plus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square is 16 minus 4, and divided by 2. Then value of x is 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4, that is square root of 12, and divided by 2. Now x is equals to 4 plus minus, here this square root of 12 is same as 2 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Now we know that a plus b over c, this is equals to a over c plus b over c. If we apply this rule here, then x is equals to 2 plus minus square root of 3. Here two possible values of x. First value of x is 2 plus square root of 3, and second value of x 2 minus square root of 3. Here case second, that is 3 times a, this is equals to b. 3 times a, this is equals to b, and a is x square minus 2x plus 1. X square, here x square minus 2x plus 1, this is equals to, and this b is replaced by x square minus x plus 1. x square minus x plus 1. 3 is multiplied by x square, then 3x square. 3 is multiplied by minus 2x, then we get minus 6x. 3 is multiplied by plus 1, then we get plus 3. Now if we take x square minus x plus 1 in left hand side, then this is minus x square plus x minus 1, this is equals to 0. 3x square minus x square is 2x square minus 6x plus x, this is minus 5x plus 3 minus 1, that is plus 2, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, and here we will apply middle term split. Then 2x square minus 5x is same as minus 4x minus x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully. These first two terms, if we take common 2 times x, then x minus 2, and here look carefully, if we take common minus 1, then x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 2 is common. If we take x minus 2 is common, then 2x minus 1, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So x minus 2, this is equals to 0. 2x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is 2, and here value of x is 1 over 2. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.